Hey there, it's Anna from For Real YouTube channel coming at you with a hot topic. How to remove a blacklisted IMEI, also known as Bad ESN, from your device. Sounds like a headache, right? Well, some solutions out there are pretty sketchy or expensive, and honestly, they don't really do the job as well as you'd expect. But what if I told you there's a better, safer, and an entirely free alternative? Too good to be true? Stick around. I'm about to share with you several proven tips that work like a charm on all Apple devices, Samsung, and other Android phones too. So let's get your device back on track together, the smart way. All right, just a quick heads up before we jump into it. This guide is meant only for those who've forgotten how to access their own devices. We're totally against any funny business like hacking into stolen phones. Let's play fair, respect the law, and each other's stuff, okay? We're all good here, according to YouTube's rules. Now that we're clear, let's get going. Now that we're on the same page, let's delve into something that'll make your life a lot easier. There are some wicked tools out there designed to help you with this IMEI conundrum. I should mention though, it's not me selling you anything, and I'm just here to help you out. First, let's talk about ESN Doctor. It's a pretty cool service that's known for being one of the top options to clear your device's blacklist status. But hey, there are other players in the game too. Take Safe Unlocks, for instance. It's another resourceful tool that's been making waves lately for its effectiveness. It's nailed the knack of ensuring your device is up and running again, smooth as silk. But wait, there's another tool you might find interesting. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. This one is a game changer, folks. It's like having a personal assistant, just smarter and dedicated to unlocking your device. In the next step, I'll walk you through how to use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant. It's a breeze once you get the hang of it, promise. So stick around and let's continue on this journey together. To get started, launch a web browser on your phone or computer and visit unlockhere.com. This is the site we'll use to fix your IMEI blacklist issue. Upon landing on the site, you'll be introduced to Nifty, an AI-powered tool crafted by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down a bit and select the option that suits your needs. In our case, we're going for the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Now it's time to follow the steps on the app. Let's kick off by choosing your device's brand. The tool works with all the big names and many medium-sized brands too. After selecting your brand, hit the Next button. The next step requires your device's IMEI or serial number. If you're not sure where to find this, don't fret. There's a quick tutorial right there in the app for you. Simply dial *06 on your phone, and a pop-up will appear with your device's information, including the IMEI number. Lastly, to complete your application, you'll need to provide a contact point including your name and email address. And of course, make sure to agree with the app's terms and conditions. If anything confuses you, there are resources available to help clarify. Once that's all done and your request is processed, you'll receive an email with your unlock details. This should hit your inbox within 5 to 15 minutes, but don't forget to check your spam or promotions folder too. To activate your order, simply copy the verification code from your email, click Confirm My Order on the website, paste the code on the page, complete the CAPTCHA, and close out by clicking Validate Info and Start Unlock. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. If any issues arise, rest assured that you can chat with live support on the site at any time. But we're not finished quite yet, so stay tuned. I need to let you know, these unlocking services mainly operate best in first-world countries. But don't worry if you can't access these services or prefer not to use them because we've got you covered. We offer a golden opportunity where we provide 250 free unlocks every week for our engaged viewers. It's a piece of cake to enter. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your phone model, for example, a Samsung S22, your IMEI, and the country you're based in. Yes, it's that simple. Complete these steps and consider yourself automatically entered into the draw. So what are you waiting for? Grab this chance, and who knows, you might be one of our lucky winners next week. All right, guys, let's dive into some more alternative ways to clear that IMEI blacklist from your device. These aren't one-size-fits-all, but they do offer a few more options to shake that blacklist status. First up, you could get in touch with your carrier. They're often more than willing to help, especially if you let them know you're the rightful owner of the device. That leads us to the next point, proof of ownership. If you can show your carrier or the authorities that blacklisted the IMEI that you're the legit owner, you might have some luck. This could be a receipt, a contract, or any document that shows you're the real deal. Now here's another one. If your device was reported lost or stolen and you found it again, give the carrier a shout. They might be willing to remove the blacklist if they know the device isn't lost or stolen anymore. And finally, as a last resort, you might consider taking legal action. If your device has been wrongfully blacklisted and the carrier isn't playing ball, a legal professional might be able to help. Just bear in mind, it could get a bit costly and it may take some time. Hey there, thanks so much for hanging out with me and going through these steps. If you've tried these and they've worked, or if you've got any more questions, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember though, these unlock services are primarily for first world countries, but if you can't use them or simply don't want to, remember, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your phone model, your IMEI, and your country. As soon as you've done that, you're automatically in the running for the weekly draw. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you found our video helpful. You'll be the first to receive our latest updates, tips, and tricks. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay awesome, folks!